Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me tell you exactly what has been happening in Gaza after the so-called ceasefire was announced. Israel has violated the ceasefire over 47 times. What a shocker. More than 50 civilians have been killed and dozens have been injured. And yesterday since dawn, 100 airstrikes were launched by Israel on Gaza. Uske alawa, aid is completely blocked to enter Gaza. Ye hai so-called permanent ceasefire, ye hai so-called truce. It is nothing but a deception. और मैं अब आप लोगों को बताती हूँ नेतन्याहू और ट्रंप ने इस दफा कौन सी गेम खेली है. After the so-called ceasefire was announced, Israel apparently withdrew from Gaza, right? Wrong. Israeli-backed militias, yes, groups openly armed and funded by Israel, were unleashed into Gaza. They started attacking and killing civilians, so Hamas began cleansing Gaza from these Israeli-backed traitors who were openly murdering innocent civilians. जो Gaza में अभी हो रहा है, it's not a civil war. These are either prisoners released by Israel, small factions or groups in Gaza who are openly being funded by Israel to put up a show in front of the whole world. But here is the real game plan. It was never about a ceasefire, it was never about apparent peace. What we see right now is a show staged in front of the world to twist the narrative once again. Israel दुनिया को ये दिखाना चाहते हैं, oh look, Hamas is killing its own people in Gaza. What they don't show, what they hide from the headlines, that these are armed militants planted by Israel itself to destabilize Gaza from within, trying their hardest to portray Hamas, to portray the Palestinian resistance as terrorists. And now they're using that as a justification. Look, Hamas broke the ceasefire. Now we have to go inside and kill Gazans again. जिस Donald Trump की tweet थी that Hamas needs to stop killing people within Gaza, or we have to go inside and kill them. It was their plan all along. सारा drama था orchestrated by Israel and fully backed by Trump. वो already 90% of Gaza को destroy कर चुके हैं. Already killed over 680,000 people in Gaza. For them, it's always been and it will always be from Nile to the Euphrates. Destroying Al-Aqsa, creating the third temple, trying to usher Dajjal, the greater Israel. जैसे Holocaust को manipulate किया गया था, distort किया गया था, तो justification बना दी गई थी for a Jewish homeland. This entire ceasefire drama is a mere justification for total domination. This is one of the reasons why I'm bringing back World War I, World War II, and history again and again. Because to counter your enemy, you need to understand their patterns. You need to understand your enemy. And wallahi, I am so pissed off. ये जो लोग मुझे messages कर रहे हैं, जो लोग comment कर रहे हैं कि you're glorifying this person, you're doing this, you're doing that. No, these Jews are already doing what they said that they would do. अपने plan को इतने openly execute करें step by step, while we Muslims are distracted, divided. कर जाओ यार, इस चीज को थोड़ा सा इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करो. Blueprints तैयार हैं, plans are in motion. They are about to usher the Dajjal. जो third temple की inauguration है ना, let me tell you, it's not that far away. और हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Arguing over nonsense. I don't mean to offend anyone over here. For once, use this, see the patterns, understand your enemy, wake up.